Previously on Keep It Reet.
Kind of upset now. This is my favourite car. What happened? Why did we do this? Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel and to another AU video. Ooh. You haven't seen the video we made with this beautiful
Shut your ass, boy!
Alright, so Corey rudely interrupted us. If you haven't seen the video on this, go check it out. We do a mad 20k sub skid and feed a full kebab into the front of this beautiful hot-geared turbo. It's had sauce run through it because we also filled the motor with sauce. We did try to actually get this motor to run again, so I'll chuck in that footage here. It just fucking exploded out of there and out of there. You're gonna have to get some more juice. Need like a running car in here.
There's a lot of smoke coming down here.
Might be the starter motor. It looks like it's coming from the bell housing or something. Yeah, we like completely sizzled the starter, all the wiring for it, one or the other. Oh well, gave it a red hot go.
It smells so bad in here.
It's disgusting. And as you can see, she's not going to be running again. So we are going to pull this thing out, tear it down, and find out what let go. It's going to be one saucy job. Everything's going to be caked in the trinity of sauces. But yeah, most of you are probably aware, we are doing an RB swap in this thing. So I know you want to keep the Intech, but this entire driveline is completely cooked. This motor might be savable, so we might build this motor either for the other AU we bought or for something special. So there will be more Intech action on the channel. So don't get butthurt. I don't want to hear it. So we've got an RB20 Neo sitting in one of the factories for this. It's going to be high revving, high comp turbo, super raspy, and it's going to make some sick noises and it's going to absolutely cook the tyres. So yeah, it's going to be okay. Stay tuned. In this one, we'll pull out the Intech, tear it down, see what went wrong, and yeah, something like that.
Just another obstacle I move on through while I'm looking at the runway that I flew onto. Ooh. Left me out to dry, but I came back. Boy, you gotta know we don't play that. Boy, you gotta know we don't play that. I've been laying low, I had to stay back. Can't check me now, you can't check me.
Just pulled the turbo oil feed off. Just starts oozing the trinity of sauces. Oof, that's recycled HSP right there. Straight out the butthole. That's nasty. Who wants to buy a turbo? Never thrashed. Alright, AU in the air. Let the build begin. Or should I say, the teardown. I got the turbo off. Then we just ghettoed up real quick for the skid. We had to drain some fluids out of it. Oh. That's some Pepsi. Oh, it stinks. Time for the garlic, sweet chili and barbecue sauce. That's disgusting. That's my butthole. Ooh. Ooh. That's nasty. Oh! Oh! I did squeeze the pressure washer in the motor, like in the breather valve in the top when I was washing the engine bay. So there's a little bit of water in there. Oh. Oh! Oh. Smells so bad. Alright, the almighty Intech is almost ready to flee the nest. Unhooked everything. Pretty straightforward motor to pull out, that's for sure. We pulled the box off. Old dirty T5. Be a bit easier to get out. Rip the dog out, get it on a stand and pull it apart. See what let go and see how saucy the internals are. It's gonna need a bloody good pressure wash. Oof. The mighty Intech is out. Alright. Motor's pretty bare and stanky. That's good. Woo! That's oh, it stings.
It's like,
That's so bad.
it's like diff and hot sauce smell combined.
Yeah, burnt oil is nasty.
There's your little HS Bizzle right there, Jack. You wouldn't eat it.
How much?
Grams in there. Oh. That's for the next August.
Spoiler.
Don't ruin it. Gotta wait for the how to dose video or the wagon versus VL.
Alright, so we flip the motor over. Ooh, that's okay. The head bolts just want to strip. They're a 14mm, but the 14mm socket's still loose on them. So, head's not coming off. Pull the sump off, pull the crank out. I don't really want to touch it. Might have to give it a wash once we pull the sump off. Let's get this sump off. Give her a lift, mate. That's spicy.
That's gross.
What is that? How's
Weird.
good?
Just had a service.
How's good? What do you call it when like the oil sticks? Like, you know, on all the ads, are like
Yeah.
fucking holds all the
Like castor oil leaves a film on
a
everything.
film.
Yeah, it's
Real good film.
It's got good viscosity.
Look at
Gross.
$30, Jack.
How much?
You're
$50.
missing it.
$50 to look at. Might get it outside and give her a wash
Nah.
and then pull it apart. I'm not pulling
Pull
it
the girl
apart
up.
like that. Give her a pressure wash and see what went wrong, why the motor won't run anymore. And find out why she won't fire
Burn
up anymore.
stones.
See what the piston rings look like. Hopefully we can snake the pistons out this way and it doesn't get stuck on anything. Otherwise, the motor's going in the bin. That's that.
Did you tell him you rounded all the head stuff? Did you?
I didn't round them
Used
all.
the wrong socket. Rounded all the head stuff.
Moving on. Ebb Intex, Ebb AUs, Ebb this job, I'm done. Alright, rolled the motor outside. Let's wash off some paint.
You can put it next to Lionel's car. You're getting covered. We're getting covered.
It's healthy.
Can't say it's a whole lot cleaner than it was. Even.
And it's still pretty filthy in there, but go back in, get the balancer off, rip the girdle off, start ripping some shit out. See what happens. So if you want to keep your balance, I wouldn't recommend doing this. This mode is for the bin, so don't get... Hey. That's that. We'll pull the oil filter off. See if it caught any stuff. We got, well, firstly I guess, got the girdle off and some main bearings and some rod bearings. So, they're slightly worn. I think there's one spun rod bearing, but they're the mains, and yeah, pretty rinsed. Say the Trinity of Saucers wasn't the best lubrication. Seen better days, that one especially. Yeah, no, brick actors. But pull this oil filter off. Oh, that's spicy. That's good. Oh. It's like... Oh. Hey. Ah. Let's have a gander at these pistons. Hopefully they can come out this way. Nah. Saw that coming. It's like suctioning. Oh. Well, this one's got comp because it's like vacuuming the cylinders. I pull it up. The valves are obviously shut. That's it. I'm not pulling it apart anymore. The motor is cooked. It's disgusting, and I'm over it. It's time to play with some RVs. We now have an engine bay, and we now slap an RV in there. Yeah, we'll wrap this up here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Stay tuned, we're gonna freshen this thing up, slap a high rev and RB in it, and give her a new life. It's gonna be killer. There's a lot of cleaning and painting to do. Just putting her back where she belongs, really. Much better.
I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats. To turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me. They need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea with a submarine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an app.